Welcome to my academy. Today, Royal Golden Avocado Smoothie. The best avocado is creamy and gold. Let's blend some magic. Rich, creamy, and super healthy. Slice it perfectly, my friends. Precision is the key to art. Fresh coconut milk for sweetness. A drizzle of liquid gold. Crunchy toppings are essential.
Steady, steady does it. Whoa.
Garnish with gold, so fancy.
Keep your eyes on the fruit. Watch it turn into velvet. Look at that silky texture. Here is your royal smoothie. Feeling energized. Caramelized perfection. Smell the freshness. Shining bright. A touch of emerald. Adding the crunch. The perfect swirl. Ready to sip.
1, 2, 3, ice cube.
Work that blender. Elegant and smooth. Pure nature's gift. Professional focus. Beautiful presentation.
I love my job. My job, yeah.
One for everyone.
Magic is in the taste. In the taste. Building the layers. All done beautifully. Fit for a king. The finishing touch. Refreshingly cold. Simply delicious.
Visit my academy again.
Class dismissed. Goodbye.